So I'm sure you are concerned. So the question is, why do I sell crypto at a really cheap rates? Okay. So right now, if you go on Binance or you go on any other P2P platform, so for example, if you go on Binance and the cheapest seller is selling crypto, let us say at 23, right? 23 kwacha per dollar. But sometimes you're going to find that I myself am actually selling the crypto at 21 or 22. So now the question is, why do I sell crypto at really a low rate? Where do I buy the crypto for me to sell at this rate and still make a profit? Okay, so yeah, so this is why I've decided to create a video. First of all, my name is Keith. I'm a crypto and forex trader from Zambia. Before I continue, I would like you to know about the ultimate sports betting experience with Arbitrage, which is the leading sports betting platform in Zambia. So they're actually proud to offer a seamless integration of cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, thereby making your betting journey more convenient and secure than ever before. So sign up now and you can enjoy a generous welcome bonus of up to 2,200 kwacha, which can actually give your bets an incredible boost from the very start. So to make use of this opportunity, be sure to use the referral code Keith Rainz when you sign up. So with the range of sports events and games to choose from and the flexibility of cryptocurrency transactions, Arbitrage actually ensures that the betting experience is not only thrilling but also rewarding. Don't miss out on the action. Join now and elevate your sports betting game with Arbitrage. So I'm with a website where I process exchanges. So this is keithfs.com. You can literally like exchange anything with anything. So for example, you can send Zambian kwacha and receive USDT UK. You can buy and sell crypto to me. Okay. So the thing is, on this website, I use current exchange rates, which means that if $1 is 20 kwacha today, okay, then you're going to buy and sell the crypto to me at $1 at 20 kwacha. Okay, but if you go to platforms, to P2P platforms like Binance, Paxful, you're going to find that today the rate is 20 kwacha per dollar, right? But they're going to be selling at 22, 21, and 23, and so on. But on this platform, yes, I may sell at the current exchange rate, right? But I actually do add the fee. So the fee is in percentage, so it's usually at 10%, 15%, and so on. So that's the normal rate. Okay, but if you're my friend, not really my friend, but if you're my contact on WhatsApp, if I'm my contact on WhatsApp, or maybe you joined this channel of mine on WhatsApp, I actually do post crypto sales on discounted prices. Okay, so the thing is, I've got my own exchange, right, where I buy and sell crypto. Okay, so buying and selling crypto for me is not a hard thing, but then the question is, why do I post on my WhatsApp status that I'm looking for buyers to buy my crypto when I can easily sell the crypto on my website or on platforms like Paxful or Binance? Why do I do that when I can easily sell or buy? But why do I post on my WhatsApp status? Why do I post in my channel? Okay, so here are my reasons, and they're all valid and they actually make sense. So the thing is, usually when I post on my WhatsApp status or channel selling crypto, is usually at the cheapest rate you can find, you can never find anywhere. Okay, but when you buy crypto or sell crypto using my website, it's going to be a little bit expensive, but usually when I post on my status, it's always cheaper. And usually the threads that usually the adverts that I post on my WhatsApp or WhatsApp channel, the transactions we usually do them just there on WhatsApp. Since we send the money to me, and I send the crypto just there on WhatsApp. We don't do it on my website. We don't do it on Binance. We don't do it anywhere. It's usually on WhatsApp. But why is that so? Okay, so here's the thing. So the thing is, I actually have got a course called How to Start Your Own Crypto Business in Zambia, right? So in this course, I actually teach people like legit ways they can use to make money with crypto in Zambia. So it's an all-in-one courses that helps you learn about crypto and also teaches you how you can make money legitimately without having to worry about getting scammed, without having to worry, without having to deposit or invest in get rich quick schemes, network marketing, referring people and all that. So so the thing is, I buy and sell crypto, right? I also have with my students who would like to do the same thing, like buying and selling crypto. Now the thing is, where do you get crypto at a cheap price? So when I post on my WhatsApp status that I'm selling crypto, or my Telegram channel that I'm selling crypto, it means that I've got some crypto I'm willing to sell at a lower rate for those interested to resell. So that's the only reason. Okay, so that's the only reason, is because sometimes I may have crypto to sell to my students or other people interested in selling the crypto and making a profit. But a lot of you, I don't know why, but you do not see how profitable this business is. But I'm the living proof telling you that this business is actually very profitable, and people are really making huge profits with this business of buying and selling crypto. But how is it done? Let me just give you a simple example. So let us say you buy, let us say I'm selling $1,000 of USDT at 22 kwacha, right? Then you buy this USDT from me at 22 kwacha. Then you go on Binance, you go on Paxful, you go anywhere where they buy or sell crypto. Then you sell this crypto USDT rate at maybe let us say 23 or maybe 24. So how much profit are you going to make? So let us try to calculate this. So let's do this. So we're going to say 1000, right, times 22. This is actually 22,000. Okay, and this is actually 24,000. So just like that, by simply buying a 1000 worth of USDT and selling it at a higher rate, you're going to have a profit of 2000, just like that. So the thing is, if you do this almost every week or every day or every month, okay, it's possible to make even a 5 pin plus every month if you are doing this consistently. Okay, so this is why you find me posting on WhatsApp, because these days it's really hard to find someone selling crypto at cheap rate. So now let's get to the main question: where do I get crypto for me to be selling at a lower rate, and why do I sell to people? Why? Because when I sell the crypto at let us say at 22 kwacha, when I myself I can actually sell at 4, why do I do that? So uh the thing is, I'm not greedy. Of course, if I sell the crypto myself, I'll make like a 2 pin profit, but I'll sell to you and only make, let's say, a 200 or a 300 profit instead of making a 2 pin. But why do I do that? Well, I'm not greedy, okay? And I like helping other people, and this is what I've been doing for the past 5 years. So, and this is what you get for being my student. By the way, the course is not even that expensive. The course is only 600 kwacha, but right now I'm having a promotion to be valid up to 29th November. The course is usually at 600 kwacha, but it's now 180. But remember, buying and selling crypto is not the only way you can make money with crypto. It's just be one of the methods that I actually teach in the course. So there are 6 more methods you can use to make money with crypto. Yeah. So now, where do I get the crypto for me to sell at low rates so that you guys can also make a profit? Well, here are my sources. So my first source of this crypto is forex trading. Okay, so sometimes when I'm lucky, not really lucky, sometimes when the day is good, I make some good profits trading. Okay, I can get withdraw through crypto, but it's rarely, for because usually I withdraw since I'm a payment agent for Deriv, so most of the time I simply sell the crypto. I sell the profits using P2P. Sometimes I sell the dollars to people who want to deposit into Deriv because I'm a payment agent. So for forex trading is rare, but mainly, okay, because if you do not know, I'm the most trusted crypto trader in Zambia. So I've got people that buy and sell crypto to me on a regular basis. Okay, yeah, on a regular basis, people buy crypto, some they sell to me. So usually when I buy crypto from people, usually I buy the crypto from people at the lower rates. So for example, let us say the current rate of $1 today is, let us say the current rate of $1 today is 20 kwacha, right? Yeah. So I would regular people that buy and sell crypto to me. So if there's someone who wants to sell crypto to me, I'll say no, I'm willing to buy your crypto, right? At $1 at actually K18. Okay. So I'll tell them that no, I'm willing to buy your dollars at $1 at K at quarter 18. So when they send that USDT, I'm going to pay 18 quarter per dollar. So when I pay 18 quarter per dollar, usually on Binance or Paxful, uh, Binance or Paxful, maybe the rate there for P2P maybe will be somewhere at 21, right? So the current rate, let us say on Google, okay, is $1 at 20 kwacha. Then me, I'll buy $1 at 18 kwacha from people, right? Then if I want, I'll sell the dollars on Binance and I'll get all the profit. But if I want, I'm going to say that I'm actually selling crypto at $1 at K19, which is 19 kwacha. Yeah. So even if I'm going to sell the crypto at really a cheap rate, I still make a profit, although it's very small, but it's worth it. So I'm going to say I'm selling crypto at 19 kwacha, right? So even if I sell the crypto at 19 kwacha, you are going to sell on Binance at 21. So in short, you're going to make profit almost double. Okay, almost double than me. But usually I'm going to sell to you at 19 or 20 kwacha, where when you sell, we'll both make the same profit. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. This is clean business. Okay, nothing to worry about, nothing fishy, nothing weird. So this is it about this. Like, I'm actually, in short, we're helping each other, but I think I am helping you more. So now let me just summarize about this. So the reason why I post on my WhatsApp status that I'm selling crypto in my WhatsApp channel is not because I'm looking for customers. I already have customers. In fact, I don't even need the customers to buy or sell crypto to me. I know where to buy and I know where to sell. So for me, when I say that I'm selling this crypto at cheap rate, it's only because I want to help you guys, especially my students, that you can actually get crypto from me and actually resell. So this actually, there's actually even a name for this type of business. I think it's called something like arbitrage. Arbitrage. I don't know if it's arbitrage or arbitrage, something like that. So this is where you buy crypto from this other exchange at a cheap rate. You sell the crypto to another exchange at a higher rate, and the difference is the profit. So there's actually a word for this. Let me just check it out on Google if this is the correct spelling. I don't know if it's arbitrage or arbitrage. So arbitrage, yeah, also say G, is the simultaneous purchase and sale of the same similar asset in different markets in order to profit from tiny differences in the asset's listed price. Exactly. So don't be scared. A lot of you are saying it's money laundering and stuff like that. No, this is why you're being poor, because you fear stuff. This is not money laundering. So in short, you simply buy an asset. Let me give an example. Let us say you buy an iPhone, right? So these days, there's actually a Black Friday promotion. You can actually get good phones at cheap prices. You buy an iPhone, let us say it's 5 pin, right? Then you find someone willing to buy the same phone, maybe at 7 pin, right? Well, you're going to make like a 2 pin profit. So like it's real business. You're actually buying, because this is what business is all about. It's about making a profit, buying something low, selling it at a high price. So this is the real business. It's really common in other countries, especially I see a lot of guys doing it, especially from Nigeria, and a lot of Zambians are beginning to do this almost full time. So nothing to worry about, nothing to be scared about. This is the real business. Okay, I don't know about the legality, but it's not illegal as far as I know. Okay, so I think arbitrage trading is not only legal in the United States, but it is encouraged as contributes to market efficiency. Okay, so yeah, this is actually arbitrage, but I think you can also do this. I think you can also do this business with currencies, but as for me, I usually do it with crypto because I do it online. But I think if you can go, let us say you go to Zanaco, right? Maybe go to Zanaco, buy USD at the cheap price. Okay, maybe go to there you go to FNB, maybe sell the USD at high price. The difference is your profit. I don't know if this is possible. I haven't really looked at about the rates. I don't know if it's profitable, but I think I'll look into it. Yeah. So remember, this is a normal business. Okay. Just need to be smart about it. You need to know, okay, how and where to get a crypto. So my course is the best platform to start with to learn about everything about crypto before going into this course. And yeah, I hope that you've understood everything, and I hope that now everything is clear. So see you. Remember to join my channel so that you can be getting really good offers. So I post a lot of offers. So the recent offer was for yesterday, selling 5,000. So this rate was actually the cheapest rate. So as of yesterday, people, let us say on Binance and the Paxful and other platforms, the cheapest rate there was 24 kwacha per dollar, but me, I was selling at 23.5, and I was asking for a minimum purchase of versus of 5,000. Okay, and the other day I was selling the real dollars for $200. Okay, the other day I was selling $1,000. So usually I post these every Fridays. I post on Fridays. Yeah. So on Fridays, if you need to get crypto or derivative funds at a really cheap rate, I usually post these every Friday, so you can expect to get some good crypto at better prices on Fridays. So yeah, so this is it. I hope you've now understood. Bye for now. This is Keith.